It is too cold for me to sour, but too warm to stop loving you. Ever since the calendar turned November, my soap has stayed the same seven size, just like my love for you. But honestly, it is not about love. It is also because I really sour these days. The air is freezing, the water feels like melted snow. It is as cold as my morning motivation. Every time I pick up that poor soap with my cold hand, I hesitate. Do I really need to suffer today? Most days, I just smile at it instead. Maybe my soap understands me. It knows I'm not lazy, just deeply in love and slightly allergic to cold water. Winter makes everything colder, the wind, the floor, even my blanket sometimes. But my love for you stays warm. My soap may stay unused, but my heart doesn't rest. It keeps melting for you even when the water is too cold for me.